Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I'm approved driving instructor Michael Gambin, and I'm going to show you how to drive manual, automatic and cars fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see all of our videos. Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is how to pull away and stop in a adapted automatic, so one with a left foot accelerator. So the first thing that we need to do is switch the engine on, whether that's with a key or with a push button, and then we're going to select a gear. So the first thing that we need to do is apply the brake pressure, so left foot on the right pedal. We then select D for drive. That's the prepare. We will now move on to the observe. So we're going to look around to make sure it's safe. There is no one around on this occasion. Now, if I have somebody there, I will use an indicator, but there isn't, so I don't need to. At this point, you can then release the handbrake to make the car move. I will come off the brake and apply some gas pressure. As you can see, I just did another right shoulder check just to make sure there's nothing coming in my blind spot. I will then pull over here, so mirror, mirror, I've come off the gas pressure, signal goes on, bring the car towards the curb, straight, back out, and you can see again, I'm crossing my arms, there's nothing wrong with doing that. Apply a little bit of brake pressure. Into park, handbrake on if I have one, and cancel my signal. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing, just so you can see it again. So POM routine, prepare first of all. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake first, into D for drive, looking around, making sure it is safe. I'm going to signal this time just to imagine if there was someone there. There isn't, but that's fine. I'm going to do some steer so I'm ready to pull away from this vehicle, and I'll put some gas pressure in. Now, if you're new to left foot accelerator and you've been driving before, you will find that you'll tend to brake very harsh the first few times that you brake. It's what we call a clutch reflex. So it does take quite some time to get used to a left foot accelerator vehicle. On average, it will take about 10 hours for somebody to be able to adapt. If you're new to the left foot accelerator and you've never driven before, it's not too much of a problem. Signal goes on. After checking my mirrors, I come off the gas pressure, I bring the car over towards the curb, steer the car out so I don't hit the curb, and apply a little bit of brake pressure to come to a stop. Again, if I have a handbrake, that goes on. Into park, cancel my signal if it's still on, and then relax off my pedals. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, which is all about left turn emerging, so when you're coming out of a road.